In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo on Miro. First, open your browser and head to Miro.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your workspace so you land on the Miro dashboard. This is where all your boards live and where you'll create a new space for your logo. On the dashboard, look for the option to create something new and select Create New. Miro will present a few choices. Choose Board. This opens a fresh blank canvas, which makes it easy to place and position your logo exactly where you want it. Inside the board, find the plus icon on the left-hand toolbar. This is the Add menu that lets you bring content onto the canvas. Click the plus icon to open the panel. You'll see a variety of items you can add. If the upload options aren't immediately visible, simply scroll down in that panel to reveal more choices. When you see Upload, click it to open the import options. Next, choose My Device. This tells Miro you want to upload a file directly from your computer. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your logo is stored, select the file, and click Open. For best results, use a high-quality PNG with a transparent background, a crisp SVG, or large JPG, so the image stays sharp as you resize. Your logo will appear on the board. Click it once to select it, and use the corner handles to resize. Drag a corner inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. To keep the proportions looking right, stick to the corner handles rather than the side handles. If you need precise placement, drag the logo to your preferred spot. Miro's smart guides will help you align it with other elements on the canvas. If you want to trim extra space around the logo, you can crop it. With the logo selected, look for the crop option in the context toolbar that appears near the image. Click Crop, then drag the edges to remove any unwanted margins or white space. When you're happy with the framing, confirm the crop to apply it. You can always recrop later if you change your mind. That's it. You've added your logo to a Miro board, resized it for the perfect fit, and optionally cropped it for a clean, professional look. Save your board, and it's ready to share or build on with the rest of your content.